level.
Girl, that party was so live last night. Girl, watch out, watch out, no, watch out. Oh my God, is he okay? Girl, did you not see him?
Girl, that was my ex.
Oh.
Oh, ba't ka nag-iiyak? Ha? Ba't ka nag-iiyak? Hotdog! Labo mo naman. Ano bang bibilin mo? Ha? Sabi ko kung anong bibilin mo. Hotdog! Alam mo, nakakainis ka. Nasuntok ka na ba na 5 beses? Bibili ako. Ng ano? Hotdog. Ito tatandaan mo ha? Right! Huwag mo akong ma-hotdog. Ano ako sinuntok? Huwag akong ma-hotdog ha? Bibili ako. Ano ba bibili mo? Hotdog! Hindi ka pa ba nadadala sa isang suntok ko? Hotdog! Sabi ko mo ma-hotdog. Hotdog! Isa. Hotdog! 2. Hotdog! 3. Hotdog na! Sabi na hotdog bibilin ko. Ba't hindi mo kasi agad sinabi? Hotdog pala bibilhin mo. Ano lang ba tinda ninyo? Hotdog? O diba hotdog? Ano bibilin ko diba hotdog? Hotdog ka. Oo nga no. Lintik na hotdog yan. Sorry. Hotdog na yan.
Who took my phone charger? I did. I was going to charge my phone and then I noticed my charger's missing. I told you not to touch my thing. Yeah. Well, what percentage are you on? Now she's asking what percentage I'm on when it's my charger. It's not professional and it's not ethical. It's just a charger. She can buy 1 billion more. It's not about the percentage. It's about being a respectful sister. I need the charger. I'm working from home. Twerking from home? Now she's claiming I'm twerking from home. Working from home, not twerking from home. Working, twerking, it's the same thing. You need to learn how to listen properly because you're irritating me. Why are you calling me irritating? All I wanted to do was borrow your charger and now you're making a big deal out of it. You know what? I'm done. I'm leaving. Let's go.
แป๊บนึงกินทอดไข่ก่อน
Hey, bet you I can hit this note. No, please don't.
Ano ba ang problema mo? Tila ho, siraan tiyan ko. Siraan tiyan mo? Kahapon oh, naparami kain ko ng kanin. Kanin din yung tinay ko. Kanina naman oh, naparami kain ko ng mais. Nung tumaya ko, mais din yung tinay ko.
Eh, ano pa gusto mo itae?
Yung natural na tayo lang.
O, di kumain ka ng tae.
I'm falling from cloud nine. I wanna wake thunder rumbling, castles trembling. I am trying to hold on. I wanna wake. God knows that I tried, seeing the bright side. I'm not blind anymore.
Alright, bro, where the hell are you?
I really don't know. I really don't. Oh my God, what the hell?
Everybody say yippee yo, one yippee yeah.
Uy, 150. Wagi. Sige na. Be, oh. Tignan mo, may po. Saan? Sa likod mo. Tulakin mo ako.
Sorry po. Parang ang tanga. Dapat nilakusin mo pa.
Look to the left, look to the right. Any cars? No. Shit, that trouble, and I am talking about the snail. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. You big ass, you big ass.
There's a spider. So what you want me to do? Kill it! You saw it first! You kill it! You're the man! Since when?